Instagram DM automation. So what is that? So you can actually use Instagram DM automation to generate more leads, qualify leads, and also make more sales on Instagram. First of all, this is actually approved by Meta and Instagram. So this is the official website of Meta for developers, and as you see here, Instagram messaging with the Messenger platform. So this is actually approved. So Instagram DM automation is approved to use by any kind of Instagram professional accounts for a business. So that means you can actually use this feature if you have a business account on Instagram, and also even if you have a creator account on Instagram. So if you have a personal profile on Instagram, then you cannot actually use these kind of automations. So you might need to convert your personal profile into a business profile or a creator account to use these kind of automations. So let's understand what is Instagram DM automation. So in this video, I will also explain a live demo of how to set up all these things as well. So stay till the end. So Instagram DM automation, what is that? So it is a one-to-one automated messaging experience between a customer and a business. So it's just a automated messaging experience, and it actually helps you to find potential customers, decide if they are good potential customers, that means qualify leads, suggest products they might like, so product recommendations, make sales, and also it also helps you to answer frequently asked questions automatically without a need for a human or a live agent. So this is the simple definition of Instagram DM automation. Now let's see what are the things not allowed when it comes to Instagram DM automation. So we actually decide what are the things not allowed when it comes to Instagram DM automation by using this kind of documentation, official documentations over here. So first of all, you cannot send automated DMs when someone follows you. So that's very important point. Even though some third-party tools exist, actually allows you to send automated DMs when someone follows you, but actually it is against the Meta or Instagram rules. So by using those kind of automations, your account might get might actually banned or suspended anytime. And also you cannot send automated DMs when someone actually likes your post or reels. This is also not possible, but even though some actually some third-party external tools actually allows these kind of automations as well. So this is against Meta terms and policies. And also you cannot call DM people using the DM automation. So these are the main things not allowed when it comes to Instagram DM automation. Now let's see what are the things actually allowed over here. First of all, you can send automated DMs for inbound messages. So what does that mean? So let's say a particular customer visit your Instagram profile and send you a message. So that is called as the inbound message, and you can actually use Instagram DM automation to handle those kind of inbound messages. And also you can send automated DMs when someone replies to your stories. So let's say you actually post a new story promoting a particular kind of discount offer, or like your ebook or kind of lead magnet. You can actually use Instagram DM automation to handle those kind of DMs. And also you can send automated DMs for comments on post, reels, and even IG lives as well. So that means when you actually post a new post or even a reel, then you can actually ask people to comment specific keywords over there. And when they actually comment those kind of keywords or just a generic comment, you can actually send automated DMs through Instagram. And finally, you can send automated DMs for story mentions as well. So this is very helpful when you actually do any kind of giveaways or like contest. So you simply can ask your followers to mention your brand on their stories, and once they mention your brand on their stories, you can simply send automated DMs for those customers. So this is also allowed by Meta or Instagram. So now let's see how this actually works. So first of all, to set these kind of automations for your Instagram profile, which is a business profile or a creator profile, you actually need to use a third-party tool. So one of the tool we actually use in our agency is our own software, which is called as Chatting Media, a chatbot builder. So our chatbot builder is connected using the official Instagram API. So if you visit this particular website, platform.chattingmedia.com, you can see instantly connect your business pages to official Messenger API, Instagram API, WhatsApp Cloud API. So we only allow customers to do any kind of automation which is actually supported through official Instagram API. So if you visit this particular link, it actually takes you to the official API, and you can actually see what are the things allowed to do automate when it comes to Instagram DM automation. So likewise, we also support other channels as well. So for example, we support Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram, Google My Business, and etc. So for all those channels, we actually use official APIs. So keep in mind as well. Now let's see how to automate these kind of things over here. So first of all, you can actually send automated DMs for inbound messages. So let me show how to set this up as well. So for example, let's say you actually receive a message and you can actually ask customers to DM you a specific kind of keywords, and you can actually respond to those keywords instantly as well. So here for that we can actually use one of the things you can use here is that automated responses. So based on specific keywords the customer actually sending you can actually send different kind of chatbot flows. That means a different set of conversational flow of messages. Otherwise you can even send just one message as well. So in this demo I'm going to show how to send just one message. So automated responses over here. So let's say if a customer says let me add a question discount. So if a customer says discount, we want to send a message. So here you can choose a flow, but I want to keep things simple. So let me just choose the text message over here. I want to say use IG10 for a 10% discount on this page, and you can simply provide the website address as well. So simple as that. So whenever someone actually send you discount on Instagram, it simply send this kind of keyword as well. So actually it send that kind of message for those customers. So let me show how this actually works. Let's test this and see how this actually works. So let me go to the Instagram over here. So let me send a direct DM over here with the keyword which I set up, discount. So when we send this kind of keyword, we should receive this message instantly over here. So let's see how this actually works. And it says use IG10 for a 10% discount on this page, and it simply link the Google as well. So this is just an example of how to handle inbound DMs just using specific keywords. So you can also use AI to automate this kind of inbound messages as well, but that's for another video. We want to keep things simple over here. Now let's see how to send automated DMs when someone replies to your stories. So for that you have to go to tools over here. So let me show that from scratch. Go to tools and choose Instagram story automations. So this actually works when someone actually respond to your stories with specific kind of keywords. So here click on add over here. So let me name this automation as test over here, and here you can actually create the automation. So you can actually track the story reply on all stories or just specific stories. For example, if I choose specific stories, it simply get the active stories you have. So it says text story DM discount below. So let me choose this story over here, continue, and here you can actually reply with a text or a flow. So you can simply reply with a text. Here is your discount code, something like that. So just for the demo I'm just keeping things simple of how this actually work. I can provide IG20, something like that. So let me fix this typo over here. Here's your discount code IG20, and here reply to all user replies. So whatever the message actually customer sent to this specific story, you can send this kind of message. Otherwise you can actually mention DM discount below. It says DM discount below. So only if they send this kind of keyword discount over here, then only we want to reply to those customers with this specific a discount code as well. So you can actually have more controls as well. So sometimes some customers actually see your stories and ask different kind of questions about your business. So in this case you want to actually respond to them with the right answers. So for that you have to actually use this kind of automation. User replies to equal to keyword, and also you have to mention the CTA keyword in the story itself just to offer them what they actually request for them. So here I already set as discount as well. So let me save it over here, and it's active as well. So let me share my front screen over here. So this is the story over here. So let me click on this story, and this time let me send this keyword discount. So now it should send me the message we actually set up with the 20% discount or IG20. So now let's open the message option over here, and as you see, here is your discount code IG20 over here. So that is how these story reply automations work. Now let's see how to actually send automated DMs for comments on post, reels or IG lives as well. So let's go to tools over here. Let me go to tools, and here you have this Instagram comment automation. So let me choose that comment automation over here, click on add. So let me name this as new test. So the idea is to just, when someone actually commented on your reels or post, what you can do is you can actually send specific kind of DMs, and also you have the option to reply to their comment as well. So here you can actually track this on all posts, or if not, you can simply choose whatever the post you want to choose. And also this actually works with IG lives as well. So just to keep things simple, I want to simply cancel this option, and I want to track comments on all the posts and private reply to the comment. So what I can do here is that I can do the same test over here. So private reply to the comments, that means this will be sent as the DM to the customer. Your discount code is IG30. I want to keep things simple, that's why I'm doing. You can even set a flow as well, a series of messages. So let me use just text option, and also you have the option to reply to the comment. So that means you can actually add the public reply to the customer's comment as well. So let's say a particular customer comment as discount on your particular post or reel, you have the option to reply to that comment automatically as well. So this is also allowed by Instagram as well. So here you can actually even add variations as well. So DM sent, check DM. Just to show you how this works, I can actually check messages, check your messages. So this actually, in a randomized way, this is actually posted as public comment reply to each of your followers or cousin followers, or the people who actually comment on those kind of specific post. And here you can reply to all comments, or you can actually set a specific keyword to reply to this kind of reply, or activate this kind of automation, such as if they comment as discount. So let me simply use the same automation rule over here, so which we actually did for the story replies. So even though there are other options as well, so here you can reply to users who have already commented, don't reply to comment, those kind of things. And also you can actually delay the replies as well. So let's say a particular customer comment on your post or reel, and if you want to send this particular automated DM and the post reply public comment reply after like 1 hour, you can do that as well. But for the demo, I just choose immediately and click save over here. So let's see how this actually works. So let me make sure this is active. So you have to make sure this is active for that to work. And what I can do is I can go to the Instagram profile over here. So here you can choose any kind of post or reels. So here let me choose one post over here and comment as discount. So it should actually add a public comment reply to this particular post as one of the replies actually we set up, and also it should send me an automated DM as well. So let me see how this actually works as well. So I just commented as DM. So let me actually, what I can do is I can go to home page, and it simply already sent us the message as you. So it says static media message you about the comment you made on their post, and this is the message. Your discount code is IG10. So this is the exact message we actually set up over here, if you remember that one. Your discount code is IG10 for the comment reply. This is the exact message. And if I click on see post, we should see a message or public comment reply saying check DM as well, because we actually set this as check DM as well. So this is actually randomly added. This kind of replies will be added for each kind of comment replies you actually receive in your post or reels. So that is how this comment DM automation works. So that is sending automated DMs for comments on post, reels or IG lives. So finally, we can also send automated DMs for story mentions as well. So the idea behind is that whenever a particular customer tag your account on the stories, then you can actually send automated DMs. So let me show how this actually works. You have to actually go to settings over here and choose the Instagram channel. So here, let me do that over here. channels, here you have to, in the channels you have to select a flow over here. So that means automatically reply when someone mentions your Instagram story in this story. So here you have to select a specific flow. So first of all, let's create the flow over here before we create select that particular flow over here. So let me create this flow. So let me create IG story mentions. So let me just name as new as well, new IG story mentions. So let me send a message whenever someone mention us on the story. Let me send a message, thanks. And you can use this discount code IG40 for a 40% off. Just for the demo, I'm just creating these kind of random messages. So it should, when someone actually mention our account on their story and tagging as well, this message should be sent to them. So the flow name is new IG story mentions. So let me refresh this particular page so that that particular flow will be populated over here. So let me go to channels, Instagram, and let me choose this story, new IG story mentions. So this is the same flow name and this particular message will be sent to them. So let me save it over here. So now we have saved it. So now it's the time to post a story and send automated messages. Let me post a new story and tag Chatic Media and see what happens. So let me click on this button over here and let me click on create over here, and let me simply post a story, hey, and simply tag Chatic Media and see what happens. Chatic Media, or we can simply use the mentions as well. So let's choose this one, mentions, and here choose Chatic Media. Simple as that one. So here we are mentioning Chatic Media with this story. Let me post this story. Share. Not now. Done. So I have just posted a story over here mentioning Chatic Media. So I should actually receive a message. So as you see, I have already received a message from Chatic Media. So it says, thanks. You can use this discount code IG40 for a 40% discount. So that is how this automation work. So when someone actually posts a story mentioning your brand, we can actually send automated messages like this. So that is just an introduction about the Instagram DM automation and how you can actually use Instagram DM automation to generate more leads and sales for your business. Thank you.